welcome. How are you? I hope you all have a great day. Here I am Muhammad Bakir with ChatGPT for discussion on some issues. Hello ChatGPT, are you available here?
Walaikum assalam. I'm here and ready to help. I'm doing great, and I hope you are too. Feel free to dive into any topics or questions you have in mind, and we'll get started.
Yes, sure. I have a topic, the discussion exploring the connection between diet and mental well-being.
That's a
Please,
fantastic.
yes, please tell us.
Absolutely. So, research shows that what we eat can have a significant impact on our mental health. For example, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. On the flip side, diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can negatively affect mood and cognitive function. There's definitely a lot of fascinating details to explore. Let me know if there's a particular angle you want to dive into.
Yes, I am with you. Please explain in detail on this topic and the connection between the diet and the mental well-being. Thank you.
Of course. So the connection between diet and mental well-being is rooted in several factors. First, nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants play crucial roles in brain function and mood regulation. For example, omega-3s found in fish like salmon are known to support brain health and reduce inflammation that can contribute to depression. Additionally, a balanced diet helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which can influence mood and energy. On the other hand, diets high in refined sugars and processed foods can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to irritability and anxiety. There's also the gut brain connection. A healthy gut microbiome supported by fiber rich foods and probiotics can positively impact mental health by producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. All in all, it's a complex but fascinating interplay, and small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in mental well being. Let me
Ah,
know if you'd like to explore any specific aspect further.
yes, very beautifully you explain this topic on the connection between the diet and the mental well-being.
I'm
Are you available here? Please give some answer of my question.
Absolutely. I'm here and happy to help. Feel free to ask any specific questions you have, and I'll do my best to provide detailed answers. Just let me know what you need.
Okay, thank you. What is diet?
Great question. A diet generally refers to the kinds of food and beverages that a person regularly consumes. It can be influenced by cultural practices, personal preferences, health goals, and sometimes medical needs. Diets can vary widely from vegetarian and vegan diets to Mediterranean or ketogenic diets, each with its own set of principles and benefits. If you're curious about a specific type of diet or any particular aspect, just let me know.
Yes, please tell us. Mental well-being. What is mental well-being?
Absolutely. Mental well being refers to the state of our emotional, psychological, and social health. It's about how we think, feel, and behave in daily life. Good mental well being means being able to handle stress, maintain fulfilling relationships, work productively, and make meaningful contributions to the community. It also involves resilience, self esteem, and the ability to cope with life's challenges. It's definitely an integral part of overall health. If you'd like to dive deeper into any specific aspect, just let me know.
Okay. The
Great. If you have any
difference between diet and the well-being.
Sure. In essence, diet specifically refers to what we eat and drink, the types and quality of foods we consume on a regular basis. Mental well being, on the other hand, is a broader concept that encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social health. While diet can have a significant impact on mental well being,
Can you
mental
okay? Can you tell me what is the gut-brain axis?
Absolutely. The gut brain axis is essentially a bidirectional communication pathway between your gut and your brain. It involves various systems, including the nervous system, like the vagus nerve, the endocrine system, and the immune system. The gut is home to trillions of microbes, collectively known as the gut microbiota, which produce various neurotransmitters and short chain fatty acids. These compounds can influence brain function and mood. Conversely, the brain can send signals to the gut, affecting digestion and gut health. This connection helps exactly. It helps explain why stress or anxiety can lead to digestive issues and vice versa. It's a really fascinating and complex system that shows how closely linked our gut health and mental health truly are. If you'd like to know more details, feel free to ask.
Yes, how much serotonin is produced in the gut?
Great question. Actually, about 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. The gut's enterochromaffin cells synthesize serotonin, which plays a crucial role in regulating intestinal movements. It's fascinating how the gut not only affects digestion, but also has a significant impact on mood and overall mental health.
Which specific diet is most strongly linked to better mental health?
One of the most strongly linked diets to better mental health is the Mediterranean diet. It emphasizes whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, fish, and healthy fats such as olive oil. Research has shown that people who follow a Mediterranean diet tend to have lower rates of depression and anxiety. Another diet that's gaining attention is the DASH diet, originally designed to reduce blood pressure, which also seems to benefit mental well-being. Ultimately, diets rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats tend to support both brain and emotional health.
Yes, great answer. How does it is mean by uh, omega 3 fatty acid in the brain and the role of omega 3 fatty acid in the brain?
Absolutely. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a crucial role in brain health. They're particularly important for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells or neurons. The two main types of omega-3s important for the brain are EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA in particular is a major component of neuronal cell membranes and helps maintain their fluidity and flexibility, which is essential for effective neurotransmission. EPA also plays a role in reducing inflammation, which can protect the brain from neurodegenerative conditions and support overall mental well-being. In summary, omega-3 fatty acids help improve mood, cognitive function, and may even reduce the risk of mental health disorders like depression and anxiety.
Okay, that's great answer. I think fatty acid you explain. Omega 3's foundation is salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are essential for building brain cell membranes and reducing the inflammation, which is often revealed in the people with depression. Can dehydration affect your mood?
Absolutely. Dehydration can definitely affect your mood. Even mild dehydration can lead to feelings of irritability, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Since the brain is strongly influenced by hydration levels, staying well hydrated helps maintain optimal cognitive function and emotional stability. So, drinking enough water throughout the day is definitely important for both physical and mental health.
Okay.
Glad to help. If you have any more questions or want to dive deeper
Ye-
into any topic,
Yes, sure. What is the phenomenon known as being hungry?
the phenomenon known as being hangry is basically a blend of hungry and angry. It describes the irritability or mood swings that can occur when your blood sugar levels drop due to hunger. When we haven't eaten for a while, our body and brain can become stressed, leading to increased levels of cortisol and other stress hormones, which can cause irritability or frustration. Eating balanced meals and keeping blood sugar levels stable can definitely help prevent that hangry feeling.
How does caffeine impact anxiety?
Caffeine can have a pretty notable impact on anxiety. For some people, caffeine can increase heart rate and stimulate the nervous system, which can lead to heightened feelings of nervousness or jitteriness. In higher doses, caffeine can even trigger or worsen anxiety symptoms, especially in those who are sensitive to it. On the flip side, some people find that moderate amounts of caffeine can actually improve alertness and mood. It really depends on individual tolerance and sensitivity. So, for those prone to anxiety, it's often recommended to limit caffeine intake or choose lower caffeine alternatives.
Okay, very good answer. Why are fermented food important for mental health?
Great question. Fermented foods are important for mental health because they are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is closely linked to the gut brain axis, which we talked about earlier. Probiotics found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha help maintain a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. This in turn can help reduce inflammation, produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, and support overall mental well being. Essentially, a healthy gut can
Okay,
positively.
okay, very good discussion with you. Thank you for giving the time.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad we could chat about all these topics. If you ever have more questions or just want to discuss anything else, feel free to reach out anytime.
Uh,
Have a wonderful day.
Yes, thank you. Same to you.